What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. Today we will be dining at Tree Tavern in Magic Kingdom. I'm so excited. We are going to have a great lunch, so make sure you stay tuned to see what we get, if we like it, if not, or if it's worth it for a place to eat here at the Magic Kingdom Park. Let's go do this. So if you aren't familiar with where this is, it is in Liberty Square, right next to Frontierland. As you can see back there, that's the Country Bear Jamboree. But it kind of reminds me, this restaurant, of like Thanksgiving, that American traditional food. And the Haunted Mansion's back there, Hall of Presidents, of course, right across the way, and the Liberty Bell. I just went to the restroom, and it's actually upstairs, so it's overlooking the lobby. So I think this is a good view of the lobby. And there's some seating over there. We're waiting to be seated still, but welcome to Liberty Tree. They have great decor. It's very colonial vibes in here, which is nice. Here at Liberty Tree, you can pay tribute to our founding fathers as you dine at this stately colonial style inn, serving traditional New England inspired fare. Seem to be extremely backed up. We're about 15 minutes from when our reservation time was supposed to be. Okay, folks, we have been seated. Here is the lunch menu. If you would like to scan the QR code and read the menu along, feel free on your screen right now. So I did that, and here is the menu. Okay, so the menu here, it is all you care to enjoy. It comes out family styles. We will get the turkey, the pot roast, the pork, the mashed potatoes, the vegetables, the stuffing, and the mac and cheese. And that's our dessert. We're gonna get salad and bread to start. So let's do this. They also, which I didn't really even know, have cocktails. They have some draft beer, bottle and can, as well as specialty cocktails, which are sangria and mimosa. Also very important to note the pricing. It is $39 per adult and $21 per child. Wow, look at these ice cubes. I like that. So I got just a Diet Coke and water. All right, here is the salad. It looks really good, actually. Let's try it out. Oh, and Alessa got the Angry Orchard cider. So the salad is just mixed greens and house-made dressing. The dressing is really good, though. I'm not usually a big dressing person, but it's light and it's delicious. Here are the rolls. They look delicious. Not as good as Texas Roadhouse rolls. If you know, you know, but they kind of remind me of them. Yeah, so far, so good. Okay, the rolls are really good. They're super soft. They taste like an all-American roll, you know? Wow, guys, here we go. Here's the turkey, the pot roast. There's pork under there. There's also stuffing under there. We got green beans, we got mashed potatoes, and we got mac and cheese, which all looks seriously so good, and it's all you care to enjoy. So if you want more, you just ask and they'll bring over whatever you want more of. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. This looks fire. That's the pot roast. This is the pork, I think. Mac and cheese, turkey, mashed potatoes, green beans, bone appetit. Okay guys, I don't know if I'm just in a really good mood because we had a great morning. Be sure to check out my Magic Kingdom Genie Plus video, so you know what I'm talking about. But this food is really good, and I don't get excited about food. I'm not like, oh my god, this is so good, but this is so good. The mashed potatoes, so good. The pot roast is really good. I'm very picky with my pot roast. Like, I only like my mom's, but this is good. The turkey's a little dry, but it's not bad. The mac and cheese is fire. I'm feeling good. I might even go and try the stuffing. I don't need stuffing, but I might try it because I'm in a good mood. Okay, sorry guys, that's actually the pork. I don't even know what I said was the pork, but that's the pork. Everything was really good. I even tried the stuffing. It was good.
So we are here at Liberty Tree Tavern. I've tried all the food. Have to say, really like it up front. I'd probably give it like 8 out of 10 overall. Just because obviously not like out of this world, so I'm not gonna like go too high. But first, the meat, pork and turkey are honestly my fave. I like the pot roast the best. That is definitely definitely the shining star on this plate. Like that is solidly like 8.5 out of 10. The stuffing, also really like that. Tastes really good with the gravy. The cranberry sauce, surprisingly, I am not the biggest fan of cranberry sauce typically, but this was really good. Mashed potatoes, out of this world. $39 for all of this, you really can't go wrong. You can also get alcohol. You know, Magic Kingdom, it's a little bit of a dry area, so enjoy yourself.
I 100% agree. I'm very impressed. I was a little nervous because I'm not the most adventurous eater, even though this is not adventurous. I shouldn't say that. I'm not the biggest like Thanksgiving food person. I'm very picky and very particular, but I'm happy. We went here for $39 compared to like Be Our Guest where you're spending $70 a person. Also the green beans were good. I forgot to mention that. I'm happy. It's a nice break from the park to just come and sit and eat some Thanksgiving food. Krystal Palace, approved. But we have to wait for some dessert. So here's the restaurant, by the way. There's another side on the right as well, but it's really cute in here. It's themed so nicely. This would be a great place if you come in like November. All right, folks, our waiter said that this is the main reason people come here. It's the Ooey Gooey Toffee Cake. Let's try her out. I'm not really sure what it is. I think it's like a muffin. Oh, it's a lot softer than I expected it to be. It tastes like a gooey muffin. A gooey chocolate chip muffin. It's good. It's not like my dessert of choice, I think. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not that impressed. What about you?
Not my favorite. I don't know, maybe it's I'm not the biggest toffee fan, but overrated.
Yeah, I think it's overrated as well. I don't know. Nothing crazy, nothing like, oh my god, this is the best dessert I've ever had. Let's try the ice cream though.
Ice cream's good. I agree.
Oh wow, look, there's the parade. View of the Festival of the Fantasy Parade from the inside of Liberty Tree. Okay, so the total for the two of us was $92.39. Honestly, not bad at all. The portion sizes, that was perfect for two. We just asked for more mashed potatoes. We could have asked for anything else, but just between the two of us, really good portion size, good price. I don't know, I'm really happy with it. My favorite was definitely the pot roast. Kind of surprised because, you know, like I said before, I'm a little particular with my pot roast. But I just wanted to thank Alessa for being the stand-in official Krystal Palace taste tester for her cousin Joey. So I appreciate you, Alessa. All right, everybody, I think that concludes our meal here at Liberty Tree. It was definitely Krystal Palace approved. I don't know, for me to really think food was good, it means a lot. So if you could get a reservation here, definitely try to get one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave me a comment if you've ever been here and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Krystal Palace YouTube channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.